tour.
Maybe he knows us.
Huh?
Maybe he knows us. Stay down a little bit.
I didn't hear him.
He said there's a rock outcropping. He's probably up there. He's a really nice spot.
Okay.
Daddy.
I'll go take your really nice spot.
Daddy.
Just hang on, buddies.
No. Daddy, I was going to ask you something.
Yeah, baby.
This is a perfect place to ride our dirt bike.
Yeah, I think so.
You want to scope it?
I'll let you know. It's all going to be. I'll
Well,
do
he
that.
said it's by the rocks,
But you
so...
have to do it with me.
Look, he's going back around though. He went down this road, didn't he?
You get your surprise tomorrow.
That's what I said. Do you want to scope it? Pull into this little
You get
circle.
I mean, that's nice. But I'd rather
No,
go...
I don't want to be that close.
Do you want me to go take the bike out and go look?
Yeah, I would.
Yeah, I'm not gonna. No,
You have to film me each time.
Go scoping.
Because it's funny.
Yeah. Road
I feel like a kid
mode.
again.
Go.
well, there's a spot right there.
Oh, Daddy said he found a cool spot. You
I
guys are
would
gonna
be
love.
up front right here where everybody's going to come. Everybody usually picks these easy spots.
We've been way too close to people. Ooh, any of those cool cacti. The red ones, yeah.
Those bloom, don't they?
Yep, those are the ones.
I saw that one and I'm like, that's too small. And then I came up here and I'm like, oh, there we go.
Those are the ones that you can cut open and there's water inside.
Oh, really? See all these roads up in here?
Oh, wow.
Ah,
Oh, that's the cool.
Perfect.
we can just go over there and I can play with my dump truck over there.
This is open
Why
and
would your
big.
dump truck right here? See, and there's multiple ways out.
I'm
You gonna
pulling.
back it up right here?
Yeah, back.
Somebody is opening the doors.
You like this area?
Yeah. He has to go poop.
What?
I think he said I have to go poop.
Oh, awesome.
Can you scoot over a little bit?
Yeah. All right. Yep. Ready. All All right, you made it.
What is it?
It's sand.
It's all sand?
Yeah.
Are you gonna crush it?
No.
Why?
Yet.
Well, how am I supposed to see it?
I'm gonna crush it when we leave. When it's the day that we leave.
Couldn't you just do it now and go get another one tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll be back. Here, can you open the door?
Yeah. Stay
I'll
close.
be right back. Where did my shovel go?
Yeah. Get it.
Mommy, are you gonna ride?
I wanted to.
Oh,
Bringing it down.
what's wrong?
You gonna ride? You gonna get all around this?
Look at me going down the hill.
1 second, Cole.
Here goes Emmy. Yes, she's a little big for that bike, but she's working it. Yeah, I know. So I don't want that going in front of him, baby. That wouldn't be good if she ran that over.
Okay, let's watch Daddy.
This is not in slow motion.
I'm Woo! You did it! Hey guys. So, sorry about the wind. So we just finished dirt bike riding. We're gonna go back later, obviously, and I'll film that. But Reagan, Cole, and me were riding. Sorry, the wind is crazy. Reagan, Cole, and me were riding. We all did really good. I think Cole did the best because he caught air like a 5-year-old catching air. Surprising. He is riding a PW50, and we're out here, and that's where we were riding. This is the whole view. We go back this way. We're gonna turn, and there's the trailer. So yeah, Daddy's about to go on another dirt bike ride. We just finished up. Reagan is riding still. She's gonna come back in just a little bit. But yeah, so that's it right now. Bye.
Yeah. Not you, just your truck. Wait. Not you.
Oh, she's gonna hit this one? Hit that one.
Watch out so she doesn't hit you. She can't get up it.
Go around again. Go around again and try.
Here goes the clown. Good. Changing the helmet.
She got that one. Coley, watch out! Watch out! Oh no. She didn't make Let me get it.
Boom!
Move!
It's hard to get up the hill because we're so heavy.
Okay, he's got that one.
It's hard to turn it down there.
No, just make
Oh, he's gonna go up it.
Oh my gosh. Just make wider just watch out! Watch out! Watch out! He's gonna try to hit it again. Oh great. Hold at the top of it!
You hear it, Emmy?
What?
How it goes. Watch when Daddy goes.
They're saying how many racers there are.
There? Wait, let me put this on in case he crashes into me. I won't get injured.
I believe there's 16.
No, I'm supposed to choose.
Okay.
You got to choose mine.
And you got 24 racers.
There is.
There are.
There.
Well, if we're gonna be grammar specific.
This is your question. You don't need to be
Hurry up, your racer's ready.
Okay, there is 49 racers, 7 times your age. Wait, no, that's not.
Come on!
Come on, this is taking forever. Go!
There's 47 racers, go!
I don't care. Yeah! The freak!
Look, Mom, I look to sleep.
Brush it again.
Look, it's like trying to grab the bread, trying to get the